What is the beauty of starting your own business at the comfort of your home? My name is Frances Ihesie, and thank you for being on my channel. So, the very first thing about having your own business and working at your own time is that you're able to do other things while having your own business. You're able to take care of your kids, homeschool them, you're able to cook your meals by yourself and eat the way you want, how healthy you want actually, and you're able to have other side businesses. Okay, you're able to articulate, do other things better than you would have done if you were in a job where you don't have time. So this 2022, my basic teaching this year is to help a lot of women have more side income. And what are the ways you can have this side income? You can start working online through coaching. You can coach others through your experiences, or you can coach others based on what you have learned or what you know. So there are different ways that you can coach these days. You could be a health coach, you could be a business coach, you could be a relationship coach, and there are other forms of coaching as well. The next thing you can do is graphic design. You can sell your ideas as a graphic designer. You can have artistic sense, help people create more visuals about their business. You can also sell ebooks online. There are different ways to make money online these days. If you like writing, you could write blogs. You can help people write articles. You can also help people by being a content creator. There are over a million ways to make money these days. Then there is also an awesome, beautiful way, which is social selling, telling people about a particular product. For example, I have this product on my hand, I've used it and it worked for me. What I can do to make money is to tell someone else, oh my god, I have used these face wipes, they are really, really lovely, and they made me have less acne on my face. I'm happier, I look fresher, people are really talking about the way I look, and why don't you try it out? And you grab a link and send to this person to also try out this face wipe. This is basically the way that I and my team are making money in 2022, and I want to show you how you can just use a link, make sales, make money same day, be able to cash out your money. If you know that you're looking at this way of making money in 2022, I have been introduced to the Untamed Business opportunity as a founding member, and you also have this opportunity to also be a founding member between now to the 31st of January 2022. I want to hold your hands and show you exactly how you can use your own social media profiles to make more money in 2022. If you're looking at this area, send me a DM right now. Bye.